Hey, what's up you guys? Your boy Kripto B5 here, and we are back with another video. As far as you guys can see, yes, it's definitely cold over here where I'm at now. Hope you guys enjoyed the first video that I put up. That was legit the first video that I put up after the home moving and everything. I'm still low-key settling down and putting away most of my stuff and whatnot. But yeah, this video is gonna be about this dude right here. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the previous videos that I have posted. If you guys have, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and share it around. Share it to your friend, share it to your buddy, watch it on your break, show it to your coworker, you know, share my videos around. I would appreciate that. Thanks to all of you guys that have stuck around since the beginning of the KriptoVlogs. 2021, I'm gonna try to make it my YouTube year. So here we go, let's get to it. Peace. Alright guys, so a few days after I got the turbo timer done on Knuckles, the turbo on this dude went real bad. It started making noises and I don't know, just something is up with it. I didn't want to deal with it, so I got myself the K04, and now that the K03 is off, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little video of me putting the K04 on. Let's get it. So there you go, where we got the K04. Let me do a little comparison next to the 3 that I have sitting right there. And let's get to it. Show y'all real quick. It's not really much, but I mean, you could see it. Slight difference in the housing. And also on the compressor. So much K03 and the K04, but trust me, when you drive it, you feel the difference. Since this one was acting up, bye bye K03, hello K04. Alright, I think I kind of got a little bit overexcited and I didn't notice that I didn't have another flanges. They're still on the K03, and I do have the old K04, so let's see what I do right now. Most likely this dude won't be going on until tomorrow, but it will be going on, but nothing will be timed. But yeah, let's get to it. On another note, I think I'm missing one of these rings. Pretty sure there's supposed to be 2. There's nothing on the floor. And good luck finding it in there. Sheesh. Okay, little minor setback. I'll go have to get that tomorrow. Or probably just hit the junk to get it. Take out another turbo. More content, we'll see. You guys seen, clean these just with a brush and some of this magical thing right here, purple power, and yeah, they came out nice and clean. I did need the line, but for some reason, you guys should check this out. This is the one off my K04, the one that Shadow had, and then this is the other one that's on the K03 that I was just running. That's so weird, but I'll be using this one. I am gonna clean it up, give it some love, and yeah. Since it is getting a bit late, if I'm not mistaken, it's probably about to be 5. Oh, I'm mistaken, it's 3:54. I still got an hour of sunlight. Yeah, I'm gonna just get everything prepped, nice and ready, everything tightened. I still need that ring that I mentioned for the water line and the coolant line. I'm sorry, not the water line, the coolant line. And yeah, other than that, I think everything else is pretty much here. Let's continue the cleaning process. Yep. Okay guys, so the sun is setting. It is getting a lot chillier out here, but went ahead and took the time, cleaned this valve up, oiled it up, ball bearing looks good, the little spring looks good. So now it's just adjusting time, cutting time, yeah, ready, snap it on. All right, little quick update on that one ring that I needed. I did ended up finding another one in my stash, so that's already there. Everything else seems to be done. I torqued these, went ahead and torqued those on the flange. Installed this. I still need 2 more little tie-ins, and not really comfortable with how this loops, but I guess we'll have to see how it goes once the car turns on. Decided to stay with the wastegate just because, I mean, it is a Maxpeeding rod and it does have its marks and whatnot, so don't want to mess with nothing. Try it out like that. It's not that hard to remove the turbo and install the other wastegate. Turns out I got 3 now. I have the one on the K04, the one on the K03, and the one I have laying around inside the room. So yeah, this sucker's ready. I'll be dropping it in tomorrow. Still got sunlight, but I want to be able to record it good and maybe go ahead and use my head mount for the first time so I can have both my hands free. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Stick around for the next video. This is gonna be the end for I'm not even sure if this is gonna be part 2 or part 1, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.